welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I'm a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. And in this channel, you're gonna find all girly stuff like DIYs, reviews, makeup tutorials, and a lot of things. So if you like these girly stuff, please consider subscribing to have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back again. I'm so happy to have you all here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I cut my hair at home in layers by myself in a really easy way. I love to cut my hair at home because usually when I go to salon to cut my hair or have a nice trim, like a small trim, I end up having a bunch of my hair is completely gone. Especially I'm trying to grow my hair back to its full length because from a couple of years ago I had a really short hair. I'm trying to grow my hair back. So if I go to salon to have a haircut or a hair trim, I know I'll end up with a lot of my hair is completely gone. I have a really short hair, which I don't want at this moment. And also I love to cut my hair like regularly at home because my hair doesn't grow in a really like a nice length. The sides grow really faster than the middle part, so I used to have like a really long sides and kind of a shorter middle part of my hair. So I need to cut my hair regularly, so that's why I learned to cut my hair at home by myself to save money and also to have a really nice length of my hair. I usually do that with a scissor, which is completely for my hair. I don't use it for anything else. So I have this one from years and it's really sharp, really nice, and I had it only for my hair. So if you wanna cut your hair at home, you need to have a completely new scissor or a scissor that you don't use for anything else. This one was completely new when I got it and I didn't cut anything with it but my hair. If I use this one to cut anything, even just a piece of paper, I will replace it for a new one. So this is my hair scissor. I use it for all hair things. Like sometimes I cut it, like I cut the length of my eyebrow, so it's hair, so still hair, and usually I use this one only for cutting my hair. So this is my hair scissor, and I will use some clips to help me be in a really nice length and to cut in an even way, and of course an elastic. That's what I'm gonna need in this video. So I'm gonna show you before and after pictures. Of course, I'm gonna show you now before how my hair look like. If you're gonna see like in the middle part, it's a little bit shorter and there's a little bit of separation in the middle because I just did my hair like hair straightening it, and I just usually like divide it into two sections. That's why I always, when I finish it, I just have a little bit of separation in the middle. That's normal, but it's just gone by time. You know what I mean? When I have it in a bun, it's just completely gone, but that's why you feel a little bit of separation. And the middle hair is a little bit shorter than the sides. That's why I need to cut my hair. I usually like go back and forth from cutting my hair in layers or straight, which is a completely different video. I'm gonna link in the cards and description box down below if you wanna go and see how I cut my hair in like straight or slightly straight at home. Really easy. I'm gonna link it for you if you want to see how I do it at home. Really easy and saves you a lot of time and a lot of money and a lot of hair. So now let's go to see how I cut my hair in layers at home by myself, the easy way. So let's do it. So this is my hair. I'm gonna take my brush and comb my hair to make everything nice and ready, remove any tangling. So as you can see, I just bring my hair upside down in front of my face to make a nice ponytail. As you can see, I'm gonna make sure to have a really nice ponytail using a smaller comb to make sure that all the hair is evenly nice placed all over my head, just like you make a ponytail but in front of your face to make the layers. Of course, you can change the place of the ponytail, but I love doing it in front of my face like this. Taking the hair elastic, and just make sure it's just in the center and make sure everything is secured with elastic. So now my hair is ready to be cut, and as you can see, after I bring it all over in front of my face, really have a really nice, very fine tapered, like pointy end of my ponytail. So I'm gonna cut all these hair because I don't need them. It's not gonna take anything from my length, but in the same time I'll remove these little like brass look hair. So make sure that the hair is nice and even. Using the hair clip, as I told you, I'm gonna use it to make a really nice straight line. So now I'm seeing how much I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna cut all these hair because as you can see, it's really fine and there's nothing just in here. So basically, I'm not gonna take a thing from my length, from my hair length. So let's do it. Just take your time to place the hair clip and make sure it's in a really straight line. So the cut will be in a straight line. As you can see, just place it, and this is the length that I'm gonna cut my hair in, and taking my scissor and just begin to cut the hair. Okay, take your time to make the line as perfect as possible. So I'm done with the clip right now. So now I'm gonna take a look just in front of me and see if the line is perfect or not, and hold it with my fingers, between my fingers, and just remove any imperfections to make sure the line is as straight as possible. You can do this or not, it just depends on what you like, but this kind of make the hair look more natural. I just always see like the hairdresser do this thing, so you can do, you cannot, it depends on what you like. So I just did a little bit of it, not too much, but anyway. So as you can see, then I just take another look to see if there is anything I need to perfect. So again, back to the clip to make sure everything is even, and yeah, that's it. Okay, when you're done, or feel comfortable, remove the elastic and take your hair back and see the magic. So as you can see, my hair begin to look a little bit like crazy right now because I have a lot of layers. As you can see, they look so nice and so perfect. Just combing my hair to see the difference between before and after. So this is my hair after I cut it. You can see I begin to have a really short hair framing my face, and of course this framing will be around my head, and then we have like a longer layer until I have the longest one. It's just down there. And yeah, that's it. It's really easy and really nice, and you can do it by yourself at home and save hair, time, and money. Okay, this is it. As you saw, it's so easy and so simple, and at the same time makes a lot of flares, a lot of volume. Of course, you can change the position of your hair. I love to do it like in the most front part, so that's how I have a lot of flares, and in the same time I still have a lot of length in my hair. So as you can see, my hair is still kind of in the same length, but it has a lot of layers. I love doing this because it helps me to cut all the dead ends, all the split ends from my hair, makes it look like fresh and like have a lot of volume. And at the same time, when I have a curl, I love to have curls with the curling iron, as I did in my last video. When I do it with these layers, I feel like I have a lot of curls and they are in different length and make a complete different look for the curls. So as you can see, it looks so beautiful and so sweet, and I saved my hair and I saved my time and my money. So this is for this tutorial. I really hope it was helpful for you, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!